Hey everyone, Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali. In today's video, we are going to talk about a question many of you have asked. How many Cash App accounts can one person have? Stick around till the end for some important tips and alternative options. Let's dive right in. Sometimes people feel the need for more than one Cash App account. Why? Well, it's often to separate personal transactions from business transactions. But here's the catch. Cash App officially allows only one account per person. That means, as per their guidelines, you can only have one verified account linked to your social security number. Now here's what happens if someone tries to create multiple accounts. If Cash App detects that you're using more than one account under the same identity, both accounts could get blocked. Yep, you lose access to both of them. However, there is a way to manage both personal and business transactions using one account. You can simply upgrade your Cash App account to a business account. With a business account, you can easily handle both types of transactions in one place. Now some people wonder, can I create two accounts using different details? Technically, yes, you can create a second account using a different email address, a different phone number, but here's the issue. To verify a Cash App account, you need to provide your social security number or SSN. If your SSN is already linked to another account, you won't be able to verify the new one. And without verification, your account will have limited features like lower sending and receiving limits. So, what can you do if you absolutely need access to multiple accounts? To show you these alternative methods, we will take you to an article whose link you will find in the description. Here are some alternative options. Use a family member's account. You can sponsor a Cash App account under the name of a trusted family member or friend. Consider other payment apps. Other apps like Venmo or PayPal might meet your needs for multiple accounts. Here's to sum it up. Cash App officially allows only one account per person. If you need to separate personal and business transactions, upgrading to a business account is your best option. Trying to bypass the rules by creating multiple accounts can lead to getting both accounts blocked. If you find this video helpful, please like it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more helpful tips about Cash App and other financial tools. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.